A successful spouse visa application requires both the applicant and the sponsor to be above the age of 18 years. They are either in a civil partnership or a marriage that's recognized in the UK, or they have been living together in a relationship for at least 2 years at that time of the application. They must show that the spouse or the sponsor, if they are in the UK with a valid leave to remain, have a gross annual income of at least £18,600 plus £3,800 for their first child who is not a British or an Irish citizen or holds a permanent status. There is an additional £2,400 for each additional child, again who is not a British citizen or does not have indefinite leave to remain. When seeking entry clearance or transitioning into the spouse visa route, the applicant must show proficiency in the English language at least the CEFR level A1.